So because I wash my face in the mornings, obviously I need to moisturize because I feel very drying. So I use my Olay Complete All Day Moisturizer with sunscreen, SPF 15 for normal. And it has a lot of vitamins. It has vitamins E, B3, and C. I feel like these guys go for like $10. They're pretty expensive. Don't put too much because it'll make you oily. I mean, I know I said I was dry, but that's in the mornings. I get oily later. Alright, after moisturizing your face or using a primer, I am gonna go with the primer now. So I moisturize and then I put on a primer because that kind of like counteract, you know, against the oils of that moisturizer. I don't want to get oily. So I'm using my Optical Illusion by Urban Decay. And it is like almost empty. I've had it for almost 2 years now, so the tiniest bit. So much pigmentation on this primer. Oh, I forgot to say, this is like, it usually takes me like 5 to 7 minutes to do my makeup in the morning because I do it really fast. It doesn't mean that my video is gonna be 5 to 7 minutes because obviously I'm kind of talking and explaining what it is that I do and what I use. Next, I'm gonna go with my favorite foundation at the moment. Even though they don't make my shade, I have to go a little tanner, but that's okay because I just bring it down. It is the CoverGirl Elixir, Healthy Elixir in Classic Ivory. I'm sure there's a lighter shade, but I think it was out when I went to look. So now I'm gonna use this flat brush. It's not flat, it's a, what do you call this? I forgot. Anyway, because I want to be really fast and super aggressive in the mornings. I always tap in my tear ducts because it creases there a lot. Excuse my ratchet nails. This foundation is not drying at all, so I feel like you can totally go with a brush and you know, just like smother it all over your face, and it's not going to be streaky or anything as if it were to be a heavy dry foundation. So you can get away with it by doing it super fast. So I really love the finish this gives me, and yeah, at least it gives me some color, so I don't look too pale and like tired. With a stippling brush like this, this is from, I actually don't know where it's from a kit that I got a long time ago. I'm gonna go with some loose powder and just like dust it all over my face. You guys know I always use the Maybelline Fit Me in Fair. I can never remember that. And then just mostly on my T-zone because I'm super oily there. My cheeks, the socket, in my eye. So just everywhere. And this is kind of translucent, but not really. Like I said, it's fair, so it kind of tones down the warmth that I got from that CoverGirl Elixir, Vitalist, whatever foundation. I do have this Milani Powder foundation. It's a little bit more tan, so I can get away with using it as a quick bronzer. And with this angled brush from e.l.f., which good luck buying it because now they have all these new brushes. And it's not even that much darker, so I can just go very sloppy with it, and that's why I like it in the mornings, because I can just like go everywhere with it. Right on the eye socket, I always go here. So yeah, a good tip is to just get a bronzer that's not too dark, so you can just like be very sloppy. And now to make sure, you know, we don't look too crazy and, you know, we have a random patchy area of like I do right here, you probably can't really see. But I'm gonna go with, again, the same powder, Maybelline, and with that stippling brush, and just go over and kind of like tone it down, even though it wasn't that dark to begin with, but you know, don't look crazy. So be crazy and then fix it is what I'm saying. Anyway, for my brows, I usually go with that brow pencil, just because I can't go with that pomade, like that would take forever. You have to be super precise, and we can't be precise right now, like we gotta go. So pencil is gonna have to do it, and then the spoolie will like help you, you know, smear the product out and kind of like blend it in, and it looks so much better. So yeah, always like use a spoolie to brush out the aftermath. So I just do a few lines and then I brush it out. See, that's sloppy and feathery, fine for me. Why does one brow always have to be better than the other one? Like, why can't you guys just love each other and just be nice and look the same? You know, best friends, they dress alike, right? I mean, why can't you? Do I get compliments on my brows? Yeah, from older women. No shade, fuck, no shade. I love that shit. I love when women say something like, oh my god, I love this or that, or, you know, nothing is better than getting a compliment from another girl, you know? Okay, now, sometimes I put blush on, but most of the time I don't. It's just like bronzer and, you know, to give me life. With a blending brush, this is from Mohr. It doesn't have a name, it's from a kit. I get most of my brushes, like, does anybody ever buy single brushes? Like, I just buy a kit and it'll be it, you know, that's it. And then I have this Too Faced cute little palette from this holiday collection that Too Faced had. So yeah, definitely very holiday. I don't know, I doubt they still sell it, but you get the idea. It's just like brown. So with this taupe color, I'm just gonna go on the crease up here. You guys know I make that tail go out every time. This is very sloppy, that's why I'm going with the color. And also, this blends very nice. I don't know about all of the Too Faced eyeshadows because I only have this palette, this cute little three of them that came like this, but different colors. And they blend just fine really fast, so that's why I use them. With this shimmery one next to it, it's like a chocolatey brown. I know it looks super intense, but just grab a little bit and just to like deepen it right here on the tail. And I don't know about you guys, but whenever I do my makeup so rushed, like it comes out fine, and then when I try my hardest, I don't succeed. What's that song again? Shit, it's gonna be on my mind now. How does it go when you try your hardest?
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
Oh my god, I'm gonna look it up and I'm gonna put it on here. But that's me. Whenever I try hard, it comes out looking like shit. Drag out your tail because we love that Lana Del Rey looking eyes. With this color, I'm just gonna tap and go in the center, and it gives it some sheer and blend it to the top and bring it down to the tear duct too this time. But yeah, these colors and eyeshadow allow me to be very sloppy. Are you even watching up to this point? Now I use a smaller brush, a little skinnier, with that same color that we used for our crease. Very sloppy and fast, no biggie. Watch this be a freaking 10-minute video and I'm like, this is my 5-minute makeup routine, but aren't they all like that? I mean, can't blame them. We talk too much. I talk a lot. When I'm alone in the house, I just talk and say all this weird stuff. So you know when you watch my videos, if you see some that I'm like, Hey guys, today that means there's people in the house, but when there's not, I'm just like this, and then I don't know which one's better, to be honest. Okay, let's use some mascara to complete the eyes. Very quickly. So see, this mascara, like I have the thinnest, most short lashes in the world, and this mascara really rocks. I love it. And let's see eyeshadow for that, so let's move on to the rest. I'm gonna throw it back with a highlighter with a MAC Soft and Gentle, and with a small tiny little dual fiber brush. This one's from like that. Oh, very sloppy. So look at my MAC lip liner. It's very small, and I forgot the name. A neutral, like a brown. And I'm just gonna line on my lips. Not precise. I'm just gonna. This is what I do. I line them and then I smear them, and then gradually add more and smear it out. See how it gives me lips out of nowhere? It's like contouring on your lips. The point is not to spend so much time on your lip liner trying to get it clean, so just go over it twice and smear. And then with my little Maybelline lipstick, this is in the shade Totally Toffee. Totally Toffee. Sorry about my nails. I can't keep nail polish on. I wash my hands 500 times a day for work, and this is super creamy and sheer. Okay, so that's pretty much it for my go-to makeup look. I mean, it looks like a full face without really trying, and those are the best looks for me. This way, my makeup always looks better when I just don't really try too hard, because when I do and I'm adding all these things onto my face, I feel like it gets super cakey, and I don't know what it is. That makes me sound like I'm really bad at makeup. I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy I finally got to my first 100 subscribers. Wow! I mean, finally. Comment because I would really love to see, you know, feedback on what you guys think about me, my makeup, or whatever it is. You know, I love getting feedback, and when I do, it's so crazy because I don't expect people to actually be talking to me. Like, that's so funny and just so cool. And thank you for liking my videos if you do, and subscribing. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really love and enjoy uploading videos. Usually I do twice a week, sometimes 3. It depends on like the time that I'm filming. And honestly, I filmed 3 videos that I really didn't like. You know, I was very boring, or you know, something, and they just don't make it. So yeah, it's not that I'm not uploading or filming. I am, but I don't end up liking them halfway through editing, and I'm just like, I can't. Like, I'm getting bored. This is dumb. You know, I'm new. I'm starting, so I don't want to push shitty stuff out there that people are gonna be like, she's so boring, you know? So anyway, thank you again, and I hope to hear from you soon.
When you try your best but you don't succeed,